Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back with another box break. Today, I'm going to be doing a hobby box. Well, it is a hobby only release, but of 2015 Topps Archives Signature Series. It is one encased autograph buyback card per box. This product sold out pretty quick. Pretty limited release. I think Blowout already ran out, along with DA Card World. But yeah, quite a few really good things you can pull out of this product. So I figured I'd try a hobby box. This is actually an early Christmas gift from my girlfriend. So yeah, here we go. It's just one card in here. 2015 Topps Archives Signature Series. Alrighty. I want to try and do a slow roll with it. Here we go. Oh boy. What do we got? Oh, for a second there I thought it was a redemption. It's not. Numbered out of 46. It is Jim Abbott. Let's see, just one card. Jim Abbott. Number 31 of 46. It's actually not that high numbered. It's not bad. I think I've seen higher numbered cards. Jim Abbott. The condition of the card actually looks pretty good. Have seen some bad buybacks. In pretty poor condition. Not a bad looking card. And they seal it with Topps Archive Signature Series gold sticker. Jim Abbott. Nice looking card. But like I said, that's pretty quick, guys. It's just one card. But this has been 2015 Topps Archive Signature Series. If you guys enjoyed the break, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next one.